I can share with you. So in this lecture, so first of all, right, personality development and soft skills. This is my title mainly for today's lecture. Right. In simple words, all of you should remember PETA beta personality. The BETA means personality. B means behavior. E means emotions. T means thoughts. And A means attitude. When we have all these four, so we are very near to have personality. So that's why, first of all, these four are pillars. So to develop personality, all of you should remember, so your behavior, emotions, thoughts, and attitudes. So now, let us mainly start with one question. What is personality? Okay. So personality is the sum total of all physical, mental, and emotional attitudes. Personality is the total of some physical, mental, and emotional attitudes, values, interests, and motivational factors. Okay. So personality, it is the core potential that determines one's success in life and career. If you want to develop your career, if you want to mainly get a good improvement in your career or in your life, so these potential qualities are very important, like mainly attitudes, values, and interests. Okay, right. So you can observe this mainly one slide. Thoughts, emotions included in personality, and inside that behavior is there. So behavior, thoughts, emotions are included in personality. Okay, so that's why personality can make mainly what is the introduction to personality. Okay, first of all, let us know how this word personality has been derived and what is its origin, so that we can I can tell here. The word personality is derived from Latin word persona, which means a dress or mask, which mainly Greek actors used to wear during playing a drama or play. Yeah, so once upon a time, Greek actors, they used to wear during play mainly on their before their faces dress or mask. So for that persona word mainly in Latin language, that word has been used. So now we can say personality. What is the Latin word persona, which means dress or mask mainly? From that from that word, it personality gives importance to our outer appearance that time. So in those days, personality gives only importance to outer appearance, but now it has been changed a little bit. It is known that just outer appearance cannot be stated as personality. At modern times or at present scenario, we never define only outer appearance is personality. So personality means not only outer appearance, mainly the power to have influence on others. Personality means what is the power you have to influence on others, that is called here personality. Okay. So what is mainly introduction that everyone should remember here? Every individual has his own characteristic way of behaving, responding to emotions, perceiving things, and looking at the world. So every person, he has some characteristics like behavior, like emotions, or perceiving things, or looking at the world. No two persons can mainly can see anything in similar manner are identical. Okay, so perception is different from one person to another person. Similarly, personality is also different from one person to another person, because no two individuals can think, can appear similar. Okay, that's why personality is concerned with the psychological pattern of individual. So every man's personality is dependent on his psychological pattern, psychological way, psychological approach of that person. In that psychological approach, what are the things are there? Thoughts, emotions, feelings. Okay, thoughts, emotions, feelings are interlinked in psychological pattern. On that psychological pattern, our personality is concerned. Okay, so that's why Yeah, so mainly thoughts, emotions, feelings that are unique to a person, but mainly similarity is there from one person to another. In fact, the total of character, attributes, and traits of a person are responsible for molding his personality. Okay, that's why every person's character, that attributes and traits of a person, responsible for molding his personality. Okay, there is one definition of personality development. All of you should remember here. Personality development is defined as a process of developing and enhancing one's personality. Okay, personality development is defined as a process. It means mainly one way of improving and mainly enhancing one's own personality. Okay, personality development helps every person to gain confidence and high self-esteem or self-respect. Okay, if you have personality development, if you gain personality development, you know how to get mainly confidence, how to mainly get high self-esteem. Every person who is good at personality development, he knows very well how to treat with others, how to mingle with others, how to express emotions with others, how to handle situation in any mainly occasion. He knows very well. Okay, in simple words, once again, so I can say personality is set of qualities that make a person distinct from another. Okay, personality is nothing but it is a set of qualities that make a person different from another. Okay, so already you have understood the word personality originates from Latin word persona, which means mask. So my dear all attendees, you have to remember here what are the requirements mainly toward the development of fine personality. If you want to possess, if you want to gain fine personality or good personality, you have to remember 14 important factors, 14 important aspects you have to keep in our mind. Okay. So, what are they? Well, I can go through one by one. Clarity of goals and purpose in life. Every person, if he wants to improve his personality, first and foremost, he has a transparency or he has openness, he has mainly clarity of his goals or purpose in life. What he wants to achieve, what he wants mainly to get any purpose in life, that is very important. Second one, doing beyond expectation. If you want to improve personality, you are be ready, be active to do anything beyond your imagination, beyond your expectation. Learning from failures. All of us should remember, when we get failure, we never be disappointed or depressed or dejected. Mainly, we never feel any dismay. Okay, because we have to learn something from that failure. Already, you know that proverb: failures are stepping stone to success. Okay, initiatives are very important to develop personality. First, you start. Never think of results. You put your effort. As you know, a 1,000 mile journey can be started with single step. Okay, so that you have to keep in your mind, and you can initiate that is any activity or anything. Enthusiasm is very important factor. It is